Several goons were seen on camera going on a rampage at actor Allu Arjun's Jubilee Hills residence. A Congress link has emerged. Now, the Korangal Youth Congress president, Reddy Srinivas, was seen leading the mob, pelting stones and vandalizing the Pushpa star's residence. Now, the main accused was also seen demanding an apology from actor Allu Arjun. And as all these developments come in, the latest update that we're getting for our viewers is that in a short while from now, Allu Arjun, who's been summoned by cops once again, will be leaving his residence. The producer of his film Pushpa 2 is at his residence and all the activity will take place there. Before that, listen into how the man who led the vandalism at Allu Arjun's residence, what did he say on the day when he went on a rampage?
అల్లు అర్జున్ అనే వ్యక్తి కేవలం దండకావరంతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఇది ఒక రేవతి అనే ఒక మహిళకు సావుకరమైన ఈ యొక్క అల్లు అర్జున్ తక్షణమే ఉస్మానియా విద్యార్థులు డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఆ రేవతి కుటుంబానికి ₹1 దానితో పాటు రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వానికి క్షమాపణ చెప్పాలి. అల్లు అర్జున్ అనే వ్యక్తి కేవలం దండకావరంతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఇది ఒక రేవతి అనే ఒక మహిళకు సావుకరమైన ఈ యొక్క అల్లు అర్జున్ తక్షణమే ఉస్మానియా విద్యార్థులు డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఆ రేవతి కుటుంబానికి ₹1 దానితో పాటు రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వానికి క్షమాపణ చెప్పాలి.
And there's no end to the trouble for actor Allu Arjun. Hyderabad police are likely to move Supreme Court to seek cancellation of his interim bail that was granted to the actor in connection with the Sandhya Theatre stampede case. Now, the latest update is that the police have issued a notice to Allu Arjun. They've asked him to appear at the police station with regards to the investigation. Now, police officers apparently visited the residence of the actor and handed over the notice asking him to appear at the Chikatpalli police station at around 11 o'clock. Now, this also comes after the actor was first arrested and later granted interim bail for about 4 weeks by the Telangana High Court. And now, the actor today is supposed to present himself before cops at 11 o'clock at the Chikatpalli police station. All action and all eyes are at the actor who will be leaving his residence shortly. Let me go across to Akansha, who's joining us from Allu Arjun's residence, and also Shomit, who is at the police station where there's a huge presence of the media contingent. First up, Akansha, take us through the latest updates. We're hearing that the producer of Allu Arjun's film Pushpa 2 is also at his residence. Allu Arjun has been constantly discussing his legal strategy with his lawyers. What more are we learning?
Well, Sagrika, I'm standing outside the residence of actor Allu Arjun, and security, in fact, has been heightened here. The road leading to the residence of actor has been completely barricaded by the police. In fact, there's a huge deployment of police outside his residence. After remember what happened on Sunday, where there was vandalism here. There were protesters who climbed onto the walls here, went inside, broke the flower pots, and also threw tomato at the residence of Allu Arjun. So now there's a massive police deployment. Just a while back, the producer of the movie arrived at the residence of the actor. And last night he also met with the legal team of to in fact strategize on the way forward. 100%. More and more people are coming to the residence just ahead of the questioning of Allu Arjun. Security has been heightened here. In just some time, he will be leaving from here. Producer is there, and there you can see in the visuals, this is the father of actor Allu Arjun, who has father-in-law of actor Allu Arjun, who has arrived at the residence just now. So in just some time, he's going to leave from his residence. He's been called for questioning at 11 o'clock regarding the stampede that took place on December 4th, whether he knew about the stampede, whether he ignored the warning and which led to frenzy there and death of women during the stampede there. So he will be questioned on all these aspects, because the police has said that he did not have the permission. He was told about the stampede. Still, he did not leave from the premises. When he came out, he waved at the crowd, and he's responsible for the stampede that took place there. He, on the other hand, has been holding press conferences, calling this claim by the police and also by the Congress government misleading, saying that he had the permission. In fact, he was not told about the stampede by the police, but his managing team came to him and told about this, and he got to know about the death of that lady a day later. So this is a claim that is coming from the Pushpa actor. So there is claim and counter claim as far as this entire case is concerned. So at 11 o'clock, he's been called to the police station. So he will be leaving from his residence is what we are learning in just some time. The police station is half an hour away from him. So he will be heading towards that. And just ahead of that, Sagrika, the police deployment has been heightened here. His security team also is present outside his residence. They will be, in fact, going with him to the police station.
So there's heightened police presence at Allu Arjun's Jubilee Hills residence. Remember, it's a posh area in Hyderabad. So heightened police presence there. Barricades leading up to the actor's residence. They have been now put up. Akansha is getting us the latest and live visuals from the actor's residence. The actor's father-in-law has also reached. So there's a steady stream of visitors at Allu Arjun's residence, because in moments from now, the actor will be leaving along with the security team for the police station, which is half an hour away from his Jubilee Hills residence. Going across to Shomit. Shomit, you're at the Chikatpalli police station. You've also accessed information from your sources on the line of questioning. One, he will be questioned on his version and his statement will be recorded once again. And after that, we also know, Shomit, there is another complaint that has been filed against the actor by a Congress leader. Take us through the line of questioning that you've accessed.
Well, first, I would like to explain the ground situation for the benefit of our viewers here. Huge police deployment, and we can see the media presence here as well. And huge police deployment, including, women forces have been called here. Extra forces have been called here, deployed here to ensure that no untoward incidents takes place. Because last time we saw when Allu Arjun was brought here, over 1,000 to 2,000 of his fans gathered here, raising slogans and all those things happened. However, if we could see, even roads which leads to this police station has been closed down by the police. Actually, that road leads to the Chikatpalli inside colonies, and also this road leads to the Ashok Nagar. Even this road has been closed, the opposite road right now our VJ is showing. So even this road has been closed by the police. No one is being allowed here. Very soon, like our colleague Akanksha has explained, people are coming there to meet Allu Arjun, and even security heightened there at Allu Arjun's residence, and even here security has been heightened, and to ensure, like I said, no untoward incident takes place. And on the other hand, while it comes to the line of questioning, we have exclusively accessed details from our police sources and also the sources of Allu Arjun's team. So the line of questioning will be basically, the police claimed that Allu Arjun and his, the team actually, when they came there at the Sandhya Theatre, when that incident happened, police approached both ACP and DCP at the, at that venue when he was watching the movie, and they have informed him about the incident happened outside the theatre, and then later he was asked to immediately leave the theatre. However, this is the police version, but Allu Arjun has stated that he doesn't know about the unfortunate incident until next morning. He doesn't know about it, and next morning he was given the information about this incident, and later it took 1 day for me to respond, is what Allu Arjun has stated. So, on this point, and also on the CCTVs released by the police, on Sunday, where they have stated that police presence can be seen. Police went inside the theatre, and police informed Allu Arjun, is what the police version is. So there is two complete different versions. So on this point, the police will be questioning Allu Arjun, and we can clearly see the presence here, and we can also clearly see the presence there at Allu Arjun's residence, where Akanksha, colleague, is reporting right now, and it is expected that very shortly will be coming here.
Yes. Getting you live pictures and live updates from Allu Arjun's residence in Hyderabad, which is in Jubilee Hills, and also the Chikatpalli police station, which is about half an hour away from the actor's residence. Police deployment beefed up in both the areas. Cops do not want to take any chance now. Let's also tell our viewers about the other complaint that has been filed against the actor. There's a war of words that has been unfolding. But before that, once again, going back to Akansha. Akansha, there seems to be some activity at the actor's residence. Take us through the latest.
Well, Sagrika, study team of visitors, in fact, at the residence of Allu Arjun just a while back. His relative was here, and now more and more people are, in fact, coming to his residence. The producer of Pushpa 2 movie is already inside. Last night, what we're getting to know is that he met with the legal team as well to strategize upon the questioning in the interrogation that he will be undergoing today. So at 11 o'clock, he's been called to the police station. And in all likelihood, he will be attending the summons. He'll be going to the police station at 11 o'clock is what we are learning. So in just some time, Allu Arjun is going to leave from his residence and will be heading towards the police station, where he'll be questioned on whether he was aware about the stampede, what was happening there when he was present inside the Sandhya Theatre, and did he ignore the warning, will be in fact asked from Allu Arjun, because this is a charge that is coming from the police, that he was well aware of what was happening outside, but he refused to leave from that particular spot. And when he did, he waved to the crowd. In a way, he is responsible for the stampede that took place. There is a charge coming from both Telangana police and also from the Congress government here. Let me again show you the visuals here, Sagrika. This is the road that leads to the residence of Allu Arjun. This has been completely barricaded by the police here. And in fact, there's a huge deployment of Telangana police here, along with the personal security team of Allu Arjun, who are waiting for him outside his residence. They will be accompanying him to the police station here. So there is a huge deployment, and in just some time is what we're learning, Allu Arjun will be leaving from here. There is a movement here. In the last 15 minutes, the deployment of police has also increased. So in just some time, he will be leaving from here. Producer, his family members are all present inside. They are meeting with him.
Right.
And he will be leaving here for the police station in just some time, which is 30 minutes away is what we're learning.
So as of now, heightened security presence at the police station and also at the actor's residence. Latest pictures coming in from the actor's residence, the ones that you can see on your screens. The actor currently is meeting his lawyers, his family members, and also the producers of his film Pushpa 2. But let's keep those pictures for you there live on our screens as we also take you through more updates. The 6 vandals who were arrested for, in fact, running riot at the actor's residence were granted bail yesterday. The Bharatiya Janata Party and the BRS have also mounted pressure on the Congress-led Telangana government, calling the vandalism an act of state-sponsored Gundaism. The party leaders have called pictures of the, have cited the pictures of the accused with the chief minister, calling it shameful, and that Congress workers attacked the star's residence. Congress, on the other hand, has dug out pictures of the accused with BRS's KTR to disassociate from the allegations of the linkages. We have Bemla Sridhar of the BRS joining us. There is a face-off of sorts playing between the Congress-led government in Telangana, the chief minister, and the actor of a film. Your party has been making a slew of allegations, calling it, state-sponsored Gundaism against the actor. Why do you think this is happening, Mr. Sridhar?
The persons who have, attacked the film star's residence belongs to Congress party. There are pictures with the Congress party's top brass. And one of the accused has contested also for a local body election on Congress party ticket. It is the information out. It is widely circulated. So these attacks, you should understand, followed by a press conference of the film star giving explanation to the comments made by the Honorable Chief Minister on the floor of the House. So the 1.5 hour speech of the Honorable Chief Minister in the Assembly provoked these youth to attack the film star's residence as if this become personal. The government is supposed
Mr.
to...
Sridhar, I apologize for interjecting, but there is one question on the minds of everyone. Why is the state going after an actor of Allu Arjun's, of Allu Arjun's caliber? Yes, what happened at the Sandhya Theatre is very, very unfortunate. The investigation is happening. But like you're saying, this has become personal. Why do you think, and why are you claiming that this has become like a personal war of sorts?
There are many stories going around in the general public circles and all, in media circles also, that the act of ignorance of Mr. Allu Arjun during a film function about the Chief Ministers, as if he has not recognized or rather he doesn't remember the name of the Chief Minister. Something, many things, and I can clearly see there is something beyond this tragic incident that occurred in Sandhya Theatre, resulting in the death of a woman. But however, the police booked the case, he got a bail, Now he's out on the bail. Now, why, when the matter was sub judice, what was the need for the Chief Minister to give a lengthy answer on that? You know, it was a very deliberate attempt to rather, more than an explanation, it is kind of an accusation at that level. So automatically that leads to the influence on the investigating agencies and general public. However, he is bound to answer, but why such a lengthy answer? See, these kind of things, the statements from the responsible positions automatically influence the cadre down.
Right.
I think that would have resulted in this attack.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sridhar Reddy, for joining us this morning. So the war of worth playing out. Now, as the BRS levels these allegations, the Congress too has dug out pictures of the main accused, Reddy Srinivas, along with KTR, to in fact accuse the BRS of also having links with the vandals who targeted Allu Arjun's residence in Jubilee Hills. Once again, going back to our reporters who are getting us all the live pictures and the action. Let me go across to Shomit. Shomit, take us to what you're seeing around you, because you access the legal strategy. Also, we know that the Hyderabad police will also be approaching the Supreme Court seeking a cancellation of Allu Arjun's interim bail. What more do we know on that aspect?
Anna.
Shomit, if you can hear me. All right, we seem to have...
Please repeat the question.
All right. Shomit, I was asking you, we also know that the Hyderabad police will be approaching the Supreme Court in a short while from now seeking cancellation of interim bail that was granted to the actor by the Telangana High Court. What more do we know on that aspect?
Well, that's true. The sources have confirmed that very soon Hyderabad police will be, approaching the Supreme Court, the Apex Court, for the cancellation of the, interim bail given by the High Court, and 4 weeks interim bail has been given by the High Court. So very soon, the Hyderabad City Police will be, appearing before the Supreme Court, and they will be seeking the cancellation of the interim bail given by the High Court. So very big development, and also legal trouble mounting for Allu Arjun. We can say day by day, new twist, new legal battle, because till yesterday we thought that, everyone thought that, a case has been registered on the people who staged a protest, which later turned violent at his residence, and then later, because the matter is sub judice, no one will be speaking. However, the political war has been, intensified, and even later police have issued notices to Allu Arjun, and then later, the police have raised at his residence, is what we are given to understand, and very shortly Allu Arjun will be brought to the Chikkarpalli police station, and we can clearly see huge deployment here at the Chikkarpalli police station, and even security heightened at Allu Arjun's residence, and routes leading to Chikkarpalli police station has been barricaded, has been closed for the public, and very soon even fans are not being allowed here, and very soon Allu Arjun is expected here shortly.
Shomit is getting us the latest update. The actor will be leaving shortly. We are getting you all the live action from outside the actor's residence and also the police station, where you can see heightened police bandobast. Okay, Akansha, live action around you. Take us through what you're seeing.
Well, now it appears, Sagrika, that the actor will be leaving in some time, because the police has in fact secured this entire area. The media has been asked to move away, and there is some sort of movement here. In just some time, he will be moving towards the police station. As you can see, there is heightened security here. Police, along with the personal security staff of Allu Arjun, are stationed outside. They are waiting for him. And the personal staff will in fact be going along with Allu Arjun and his in fact the legal team to the police station today, and he will be questioned in regarding to this stampede case. But there is some sort of movement. In just some time we are in fact learning that Allu Arjun will be leaving from his residence, will be moving towards the police station, where he will be questioned. He's been asked to come to police station at around 11 a.m., which is the police station is half an hour away. So in just some time, he should be leaving from his residence. He will be questioned about the stampede that took place 20 days ago, where a woman lost her life. Unfortunately, he will be questioned as to whether he was aware about the stampede.
Of the kind of bandobast that you're seeing around you, heightened police presence, obviously a lot of activity happening inside the actor's residence also, with visitors coming in, family members with him. He's in a huddle with his family members before he leaves. But take us through what you're seeing around the actor's house, the kind of barricading that has taken place, the kind of presence that has been deployed.
Well, Sagrika, as I've been reporting that security has been heightened here. I would request my Vijay to show the bandobast here. As you can see, the barricades have been put here. This is the road that leads to the residence of Allu Arjun. It has been completely barricaded. Both the sides have been completely barricaded so that the fans and also the political workers and supporters do not reach this spot. This after what happened day before yesterday, there was vandalism here right at this spot where the protesters climbed onto the wall. They went inside the residence, they broke the flower pots, they threw tomatoes at the residence, and just to make sure that that does not happen again and the law and order situation does not go out of hand, now the police has barricaded this entire area. As we can see, there's no fan here, there are no political workers here, and this is what the police wants to make sure happens, that there in fact should not be any untoward incident here, and they are leaving no stones unturned to make sure that the law and order situation does not go out of hand. In the last half an hour, we've been witnessing that the security has been heightened. As you can see, there's this yellow rope that has been put up here. This area has been completely secured, and in fact the media has also been asked to step aside. So we are hoping, and we can see that in just some time Allu Arjun will be leaving and will be crossing this area.
Because Shomit has exclusively accessed the notice that was in fact notice for appearance that was in fact issued to the actor. Let me go across to Shomit. Shomit, you've accessed a copy of the notice that was handed over to Allu Arjun in which he was asked to appear before the police. Take us through what has been mentioned in this notice.
Well, yes, we have accessed the exclusive copy here, and we have for the first time after Allu Arjun has been issued notices by the police. We are the first channel, Times Now is the first channel to access this notice copy, which has been issued by the Chikatpalli police to Allu Arjun, and we can also clearly see in this notice copy the acknowledgement by the station house officer Raju Nayak, and also from the Bunny's team. So actually Bunny's team means Allu Arjun's team. Even the acknowledgement has been given from both the sides. So even initially it was signed by the station house officer. Later it was served to the Bunny's team, Allu Arjun's team, and then his team.
All right,
has
stay with
signed
us,
this,
Shomit, because Congress MLC Tinamar Malana has lodged a complaint against actor Allu Arjun and director Sukumar and the producers of the film Pushpa 2. The complaint alleges that a scene in the movie insults the police force, and that's why the Congress MLC is now demanding action against the actor. We have the Congress MLC now joining us on the phone line. Let me go across to Pranesh, who's also joining us. Pranesh, another complaint filed against actor Allu Arjun. Seems like there are Congress leaders who are going after the actor, and almost the attempt seems to be deliberate, as alleged by many in Telangana.
That's right, Saga. Let's speak to Mr. Malana. He's live with us, and maybe both of us can ask him a few questions. He's been kind enough to join us at a short notice. Mr. Malana, thank you so much for speaking to Times Now, sir. Why have you filed this complaint against Allu Arjun?
So yesterday I saw that movie, particularly Pushpa 2. So one scene is very objectionable in the movie, particularly the swimming pool scene. So deliberately the movie team insulting the police cops who were working for the people. So that is very objectionable, that urinal scene. So that's why I went to the police station and given complaint against the Pushpa team to take action regarding.
Mr. Malana, you are telling us that there is one scene in the movie that you feel insults the entire police force. Now, before I come to the censor board question, because we have organizations, bodies that clear a film, censor board being one of them. The film has a censor certificate. And now you're trying to... No, 1 minute. Your complaint is being dubbed as, by the BJP as nothing but a tactic to go against the actor, to go after him. Is that charge correct?
No. That's wrong. This is not the Sandhya Theatre issue. It is another issue. So I am a viewer, respectable, responsible person here. So I have 2-3 personal security officers. They are feeling insulting. when they went to the movie. So
Okay.
if nobody can go, no police family cannot went to that movie. They can't see that scene because there is a ugly and very objectionable scene is there. That's why I'm putting case against
You
them.
know,
But
Sagarika, I want to bring up the Basha case with Mr. Malanna. Mr. Malanna, you must be aware of what happened at a funeral in Tamil Nadu. The Coimbatore bombing mastermind, Basha, who was out on parole, he died. More than 2,000 security personnel were deployed by the state government for his funeral procession. Now, many believe, including, you know, the person, that was an insult to our martyrs. The Congress is in par with the DMK in Tamil Nadu. Will you apologize to viewers?
No. What I'm saying, I am from the Telangana. Now, what is here going?
No, that's okay,
you
sir.
know,
Forces.
all the
No,
issues.
1 minute.
But-
Police,
but-
police or
but-
security personnel have, you know, no such, you know, boundaries. You can be from Telangana, but I'm sure you know, you will salute our braves. Would you want to apologize, sir, for
No,
giving
no.
a hero's
What
farewell to a
I'm saying-
terrorist?
What I'm saying, Pandayji, what I'm saying, you kindly listen to me. So that is the another issue. What is going Tamil Nadu, I don't know. So wherever be, so no one can insult by the movie and any other personalities, because what I'm saying, you give a good message to the people.
Sir, a
What-
film
I'm
is a
talking
film.
about the movie only.
All of you talk about constitution. Sagarika has a question for you. This is about freedom of expression. Answer
And
that.
Mr. Malanna, everything seems to be, you know, the timing of it is also being questioned. First, the chief minister, you know, talks about the actor and questions and starts giving certificates about the actor's moral compass. And now, after the kind of, you know, case that has been filed, a second case has been filed. Cops are now going to the Supreme Court to challenge the interim bail given to him. Is there something personal? Is there personal vendetta as being alleged by the BRS?
Already our chief minister has clearly given the statement in the state assembly. All are equal to before law. That's why we are seeing he is the cinema hero, not in the real life. But we are giving all values to the all people. We are serving to the equal law to the all the people. That's why we don't have any personal, and Allu Arjun is not enemy to the government. So whatever going is, that is another issue. It is another issue.
All right. But, Mr. Malanna, the charge that's coming your way is that the way the Congress party is behaving with regards to the Allu Arjun case reeks of the emergency mindset. That's the allegation.
No.
Back to back, there are cases being filed. There are statements being made. There are complaints being filed. Now even questions are being asked as to why he got, you know, a national award and why other films like Jai Bhim missed out. These are the kind of questions also that are being asked. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Activity happening, action outside the actor's residence as he sets to leave for the police station for the fresh notice that was summoned. Let me go across to Akansha. Akansha, take us to the latest live update.
Well, Sagarika, in just some time, Allu Arjun is going to leave from his residence. As you can see, his car has been stationed here. In just some time, he's expected to come out and leave for the police station. He has been summoned at 11 o'clock and the police station is half an hour away is what we're learning. So he will be heading towards the police station. But definitely legal trouble mounting for Allu Arjun after the arrest and bail and the subsequent vandalism that took place right here on this, in fact, the elevation that you can see where the car is parked. This is the area where the vandalism took place. The protesters climbed onto the wall. They broke the flower pots. They threw the tomatoes right here day before yesterday. So after all that now, another legal trouble for Allu Arjun. In just some time, he will have to face the law. He'll have to go to the police station. He'll have to face the interrogation. He will be asked about the stampede that took place 20 days ago, whether he knew about it, because as we've been reporting that there are claims and then there are counter claims by Allu Arjun that he was not aware about the stampede that what was taking place inside while he was sitting in the theatre for the premiere of the movie. And he was in fact told by his managing team that in fact there is a sort of ruckus and he has to leave. But he got to know about the women's death a day later as a claim coming from Allu Arjun. So all of that he will be apprising the police about today. In fact, yesterday, last night, what we're learning is that he met with his legal team to strategize about the answers that he will be giving. Because exactly the opposite claim is coming from the Telangana police, wherein they are saying that he had no permission, he refused to leave from the from the spot, and that
as far as the Allu Arjun case is concerned, with the police now planning to counter Allu Arjun on his version of the Sandhya Theatre stampede. Breaking news now coming in. We have accessed the police notice that was issued to the actor. For that, let me go across to my colleague Pratibha, who's joining us in the newsroom. Pratibha has the notice. Pratibha, take us through the details and what has been mentioned in this police notice that was handed over to Allu Arjun.
So Times Now was the first to break that a notice has been issued to actor Allu Arjun, and we're the first to access the copy of the notice that has been issued. So amid the legal trouble mounting for Allu Arjun, Sagarika, this is the copy that has been accessed by our colleague Shomit. And this was a notice that was given to Allu Arjun. The police officials going to his residence, handing him saying he should appear, and in fact it goes on to say that since the case is under investigation, he needs to appear before the investigating officer to give the details, to ascertain the true facts in the case. That's what the notice says, to ascertain the true facts in the case. So this notice being given to Allu Arjun at his residence, after which today, in just a short while from now, he's expected to be at the police station.
Absolutely. Going back to Shomit, who's joining us from the Chikatpalli police station. Shomit, you've accessed that notice. Pratibha has just read out the contents of the notice that was handed over to the actor. But take us through the inside details of the police's line of questioning. We know that the police now want to counter. They've also released some CCTV footage. They claim that, yes, they have evidence against the actor. What more do we know when it comes to the investigation into the stampede case?
Anna, kindikin.
Okay, let me go back to Shomit, who's joining us from the Chikatpalli police station. He's accessed that police notice that was handed over to Allu Arjun. Pratibha just read through the contents of the police notice, which Times Now has exclusively accessed. In minutes from now, Allu Arjun will be leaving his Jubilee Hills residence to appear before the cops as he was summoned once again. Shomit, take us through the details of the police's line of questioning. They've released the CCTV footage. They're countering the claims made by the actor. What more do we know?
Well, initially we have exclusively accessed, like our colleague Pratibha was explaining, we have exclusively accessed the notice copy issued to Allu Arjun by the Chikatpalli police, and it has been signed, acknowledged by the station house officer Raju Nayak, and also on the other hand even Allu Arjun's team. And it is expected that he will be leaving shortly. Akanksha is reporting, our colleague Akanksha is reporting from that spot, Jubilee Hills, his residence, and it is one of the prime area, and from there he will be coming here, and he will be escorted by the police, is what we are given to understand. On the other hand, we have exclusively accessed the copy here, and it is mentioned in this copy that because he has been called for the questioning, and this is it is mentioned that this is to inform you that Honorable High Court has given criminal petition was pleased to grant interim bail on 13/12/2024 in crime number under section 376/2024 under section 105, 118, 1 read with 35 of BNS, and also later IPC section. And however, with that condition, as per condition number 3, the petitioner accused shall be cooperating with the investigation, is what High Court has stated in the order copy when interim bail was granted. So in this it was stated, the order copy was stated, and he has been called for the questioning, and we can clearly see here in this, he has been served notices, and we have
the live pictures that are currently coming in. I want you to stay on with us. These are live visuals of the actor who's along with his wife, who will be leaving in a short while from now. The actor, his family members are next to him. You can see those live pictures coming in. Allu Arjun getting inside his car. In moments from now, he will be leaving for the Chikatpalli police station. His family members are with him. Allu Arjun is going to be leaving along with his security team. Live and latest images coming in from the actor's Jubilee Hills residence. He's bidding goodbye to his wife and his child, and then actor has, he's sitting inside his car right now. along with his security team, Allu Arjun will be leaving, where there's a lot of bandobast, if you can see, both at the police station and at the actor's residence. Barricading has taken place outside the actor's residence and also at the police station. The cops here do not want to take any chance. Looking at the way things unfolded over the last few days, there was vandalism that broke out. Okay, Allu Arjun has left, is now leaving from his residence. His car is moving out, and those are the live and latest pictures. He's leaving, and in half an hour from now, he's expected to reach the Chikatpalli police station. Live and latest pictures coming in. The actor is just leaving his residence there. He will be appearing before the police station. There's a huge media contingent also present there. Let me go back. Let me go to Akansha, who's tracking all the live updates. Akansha, we're getting the live and latest updates. Allu Arjun has left for the police station.
Well, absolutely, Sagrika. Just a while back, Allu Arjun left for the police station. He stepped out of his residence. He waved to media and then bid goodbye to his family members. There was his wife and also a small kid. And now he has left for the police station. He's heading towards the police station. He has been called for questioning at 11 o'clock. So he will have to face the law, even though the movie may have been a blockbuster, but he will have to face the law and answer to the police, because claims and counter claims have been coming as far as this case is concerned. But in the visuals you can see he, along with his counsels and also his personal security team, have all left for the police station. They will be, in fact, he will be questioned in connection with this case. We'll try and in fact track him till the police station. But these are the live visuals that are coming as far as the stampede case is concerned. Allu Arjun has left for the police station for the interrogation.
All right, so Allu Arjun is leaving from his residence, seen first on Times Now. The visuals are on your screens that you're seeing on the left side. Before he left for the police station, he was seen hugging his wife, his family members, saying bye to him. As he got into the vehicle, he has just left from his residence and is heading towards Chikatpalli police station, where my colleague Shomit is reporting from. Shomit, Allu Arjun has left from his residence. He is headed towards the police station, we are told.
Well, yes, Pratibha, very soon Allu Arjun is expected here. We can clearly see security heightened. Even there at his Jubilee Hills residence, even here at Chikatpalli police station. And last time we have saw how, when Allu Arjun was initially detained from his residence, when he was brought here, we saw how, hundreds of fans gathered here. And at that time, the police, didn't take enough measures, because they were in hurry in immediately detaining him and later taking him into the custody. And then from there we have saw how he was taken from here to Chikatpalli police station to the hospital, from there to the court, from there to the Central Prison. And we can clearly see here this time they have taken enough measures, they have done enough deployment. If I will ask my VJ to show some shots here, huge deployment including the women force. And on the other hand, even these roads, this road which leads to the Chikatpalli police station has been closed down, has been barricaded by the police, and has been closed for the public. And very shortly, just now Akansha was reporting from Jubilee Hills residence of Allu Arjun, and there he has just left along with what we are given to understand is his counsel will be along with him, and also one or two family members will also be coming here. Along with his, along with him is what we are given to understand. So they will be here shortly, and very soon, the questioning will begin, is what we are given to understand. And on the other hand, higher officials have already arrived here, and to ensure that everything moves smoothly, and also at the same time, police are not allowing, anyone to even gather here. Even there are limitations for the media. We can also clearly see that here they are not even allowing nearby to the police station, because this has become a big case now, very sensitive issue and very sensitive case, because even yesterday at Chief Minister's residence this meeting was conducted between the top leaders of the Congress party, and Chief Minister himself has asked the PCC chief Mahesh Kumar Gaud, to ensure that the Congress leaders, including ministers, MLCs, MLAs, doesn't speak on Allu Arjun's issue unnecessarily or
Okay, to not
if
make it
required.
political. But
So,
Shomit, can you show us
massive police
around at the police station the kind of security deployment that has been put in place, details of the questioning that he is likely to face, and when is he expected to reach the police station now that he has started from his residence?
Very shortly is expected here, and our VJ is showing the shots here. Even higher officials have arrived, and massive police deployment here at Chikkarpalli police station, and even police officials are ensuring that no one reaches here or no one unnecessarily comes here, apart from who are from the media or who are from the department itself. Even women forces have been deployed here to ensure that even if women fans come here, they will be driven away. And on the other hand, they have closed down the roads here at Chikkarpalli. And on the other hand, even at Jubilee Hills residents, those roads have been barricaded, and police will be ensuring that he will be reaching Chikkarpalli police station shortly. He will be questioned after that by the investigation officer, is what we are given to understand. And on the other hand, other officials from the neighboring zones, from the west zone, east zone and north zone and the south zone, the officials have been deployed here. We can clearly see they have gathered here, and they will be ensuring that no other person who is not related to this case will be arriving here. And at the same time, even fans, like last time, fans gathered here at the police station in huge number. So this time, even fans will be not allowed, and this road has been completely shut down for the public and also even for the fans. And on the other hand, after Allu Arjun arrives, he will be escorted to the SHO's room, and in the presence of higher officials, including ACP and also DCPs from, even like I said, even higher officials from neighboring zones have been deployed here. Higher officials have been deployed here. So in the presence of higher officials, the questioning will continue, and it will be recorded in the CCTV it will be recorded in the CCTVs and also in the cameras. And Allu Arjun will be arriving here along with his counsel, and what we are given to understand is